How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are having trouble using Snapchat and think your device might be banned, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few easy steps to help fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to update the Snapchat app. So open your app store and search for Snapchat. Now here, if you see an update button instead of open, it means your app isn't up to date. So an outdated version could be a reason for this issue. So simply go ahead and update it and wait for the latest version to install. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to offload Snapchat app. So once the app is updated, you can simply go to the phone settings, and once you are inside the settings, simply tap on General. Now here simply select iPhone storage, and after that you can simply scroll and tap on Snapchat. And here, once you are in the Snapchat settings, simply tap on Offload app and confirm it again. And once you do that, it will clear all the cache and unnecessary files without deleting your data. It can also fix small bugs that may be causing the issue. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to change date, time and region. So simply go back to the settings, and here in the search bar simply type date and time and simply tap on it. Now here you can see the option labeled set automatically. So simply toggle off that option. And after that you can go to the general again, and here you need to scroll down and tap on language and region. Now here simply choose region and try changing your country or region to something else. And once you have done all that, you can go back and try opening Snapchat. And the chances are it should work smoothly without the device ban error. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Snapchat device ban issue with just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.